Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Bhagavatam 5.5.16, 5th canto, 5th chapter, 16th verse. These are the teachings of Rishabhadeva. Loka swayam shreyasi nasya drishtihi yo arthan samiheda nikama kamaha anyona vairaha sukhalesha heto anantya dukkham naveda janaveda mudaha. Due to ignorance, the materialistic person does not know anything about his real self-interest, the auspicious path in life. He is simply bound to material enjoyment by lusty desires, and all his plans are made for this purpose, for temporary sense gratification. Such a person creates a society of envy, and due to this mentality, he plunges into the ocean of suffering. Such a foolish person does not even know about this. So Prabhupada in the purport meditates on the word Nishtha, Drishtihi. So let us just follow the footsteps. This is a very important point. Not able to see. You know, in Hindi में कहते हैं ना, दिखता नहीं क्या? And this is the reality of this world. The spiritual world and material world, the difference lies here. In the material world, everybody is imagining, because Bhagavad Gita says that when Arjuna asked Krishna what are the qualifications of a Siddhapagna, and what is the first answer Krishna gives? Prajahita yada kama. Siddhapagna means person situated in knowledge. He got some knowledge. And what is the behavior of man in knowledge? Prajahati yada kama sarva partha manogata. He understands that all kind of sense gratifications are only imaginations in the mind. They don't exist actually. Got it? This is the symptom of man who got knowledge. Otherwise, knowledge is not there. Therefore, Prabhupada is very nicely distinguishing. The Nishtha means you can say, he says, I have devotion but no knowledge. Madhyamadhikari, the devotion plus jnana is there. Uttamadhikari, devotion plus vijnana is there. Realized knowledge. Madhyamadhikari, we can speak all philosophy, speak everything, but the thing is realized. Simply we are speaking. This is there, this is there. Kuch nahi dikha. Correct? We can say Krishna is very beautiful. Have you seen it? So why you speak? I read from the Shastra. So just like Prabhupada says, the child, suppose he says, this is Mridanga. And you tell the child, this is harmonium. Somebody asks the child, what is this? Harmonium. The child has repeated correct because he is following the father. And that is his credit. But otherwise he doesn't know how harmonium, what it does, nothing he knows. So similarly, we are repeating all the philosophy of Krishna consciousness. Teaching is done on the platform of Madhyamadhikari. So in that sense, we're playing the part of Madhyamadhikari. We may not be. But the point is that it's only bhakti plus jnana, not bhakti plus vijnana. You got it? Theoretical knowledge. This is harmonium. We don't know how to play it. So similarly, we may be saying so many things, but it's not realized knowledge. But a pure devotee, the difference is, whole thing is realized. Bhakti plus vijnana. Madhyamadhikari is bhakti plus jnana. Kanishtadhikari only bhakti. Just like most of the people, they come to temple and nice program. It is true that if they continue in the process of bhakti, automatically jnana vijnana will be given as a gift. Vasudeve Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojitaha Janiyati Asu Vairagyam Jnanam Chadahishtikam. Just like so many people come in the evening, they participate in Kirtan and they don't know any language or they may not understand anything and they go back home. You think they have no jnana? Matter of time, they continue participating, all jnana will be manifest in their heart. All vijnana will be manifest. Just like the gopis were there in Vrindavan. What jnana, vijnana? At least in the previous time, in India, Vedic time, girls are not going to They are uneducated village girls, that's all. But all the jnana vijnana is manifest to them. Everything. Okay, so that is the point here. So now this is the spiritual world where the focus is pleasure of Krishna. But the material world, there is no knowledge, there is no realization, not even any bhakti. And this is the material world. And here, instead of Nate Vidu Swartha Gatimi Vishnu, instead of understanding my real self-interest is Vishnu, what happens to us? We become interested in sense gratification. Nate Vidu Swartha Gatimi Vishnu, Durashayaye Bahiyartamanina. Such idiots we are. We give so much value to sense enjoyment. Either directly or somebody else is doing. Oh, what punya he must have done to enjoy all that. Here, Parikshit Maharaj, or so many devotees in Bhagavatam, who is saying Krita Punya Punja is statement by whom? Who made this statement? Brahma? Brahma makes a statement. He is such a great personality sitting in Satyaloka. The enjoyment of Brahma we can't even dream. Even Devata's enjoyment is 10,000 times more than you, minimum. The body is so young, Apsaras are so young and they remain like that and they keep enjoying all pleasures and old age hardly they see. You don't hear Indira coughing, hardly any diseases. Everything is minimized, pleasures are unlimited. Correct? Just like in this world itself, certain countries material pleasures are more available. So, Krita Punya Punja, so Brahma who is enjoying such, even Devatas cannot imagine that pleasure. The chief of the universe, what pleasure he is having. All Devatas are reporting to him, everybody. He is father of even Shiva. Shiva respects him as a father. True, Shiva is more powerful, but still. So even in this condition, in this whole position, when Brahma saw residents of Vrindavan, and he saw the Gopas playing with Krishna, he said, wow, what they should have done to deserve this. Correct? He was shocked, no? We all know that. He said they must have done crores of punya to deserve this. He is playing with Krishna. We can't even in meditation see Krishna. Big yogis meditation, they are not able to see Krishna. Correct? And the same, this ordinary boy, the playing. What? Because nothing can happen by an accident. What they must have done to deserve this. Brahma is enchanted. Correct? But our condition is not like that. Just like we are in land of India. Land of India is the best opportunity to advance in spiritual life. The best. Correct? But today that is not there. Yesterday I met somebody, a young couple that came. About to go to America. Mm-hmm. So much excitement. Even though we may not be enjoying, how they are enjoying so nicely. Here Brahma is looking reverse. He is coming to India. He is looking at Vrindavan. I say, what they must have done to deserve this. Actually it is said in the Bhagavatam, even Devatas pray to take birth in India. Wow. What fortune they must have done to be born in this land where so many holy places are there, scripture is there, an easy opportunity to advance in Krishna consciousness there. Correct? It is said in the Bhagavatam. Devatas are praying to be born in India. They are praying to be born on earth and particularly to be born in India. This is a great, it's not the person born in India is advanced in, but he is having a great opportunity to advance in Krishna consciousness. Not just by being born in India you are special. It's like you may got admission to the best college in India, but if you are sleeping in the room, don't go to the class. What is the benefit? But the fortune is great, no? So similarly, Gopas are there, they are next to Krishna, and there is a great fortune. But he has to play with Krishna, no? He doesn't play with Krishna, what is the use of that fortune? So similarly, born in India, you are not on the platform of Gopas, but you have a good opportunity, very good opportunity for officers to quickly advance in Krishna consciousness. Correct? But no. We see one woman going with a what he must have done to get this. We are crying. Somebody is going with a nice car. Oh, what he must have done punya to get such a nice car. Somebody becomes very famous. Yesterday we had whole Mangalore city was there. Oh, what he must have done to get this opportunity. We all keep thinking like that. Isn't it? Somebody is going to America. Wow, what he must have done now. How will he enjoy? And that's why when somebody comes from abroad, America or Europe, we think he must have really enjoyed. And he also feels like that. I did that and people listen. In my home itself, this example was there. My father went to Japan for 2.5 years. At that time, not so many people were going abroad. That was 1900, maybe 70s, 80s. Okay? So whenever the opportunity relatives gather, they will ask him what happened in Japan. And because we are all from village actually, all from farmers from village. He will tell it like that. Everybody will listening, mouth open, like that. That is how the reality is. Forget about condition. After chanting Hare Krishna 16 rounds, at least for 8-9 years, we had in Bangalore an opportunity. We decided a team we will send to America. Okay? So my name was there in the team. I was feeling so special. And then we were like not on ground only for a few days. Like so much it is created because our heart is not in pure devotion. These things attract us so much. What is there finally? Land is there. Just like we create aura around somebody. Just we create aura around the place. Actually when you go there is nothing there. That's why so many Indians come back. Nothing there. We create aura, we create a halo around somebody. It's like a halo we create around our country. But what is there? The same land is there. Trees are there. Okay? Just like youngsters create halo about Goa. Many of you have gone to Goa. What is there? Nothing is there. Land is there, tree is there, water is there, which everywhere is. Some houses are there. Nothing special. And you will be same board there. But an aura is created unnecessarily. Therefore he says in Bhagavad Gita, the first symptom of man is knowledge is he breaks this aura. Prajahati yada kaman sarva partha manogata. He's only sitting in the mind, that enjoyment. It has no factual existence. Enjoyment is only in anticipation in the material world. In fact, there is no enjoyment. You only anticipate. It will be so nice. So, but when you come to spiritual life, it's real. Like last time we had thought we were going on a pilgrimage, but we could really feel enjoyment when we were having Harinava in the holy places. We are taking darshan of the Lord. Correct? Confirm. Spiritual life you may anticipate, but it is confirmed and given. Correct? Just like Sunday evening we had such a nice kirtan. In fact, we used to have like that every day previously. So 8-9 years ago. Without going on a single pilgrimage, we met so many devotees. Correct? The main thing is Nam Tishtanti Vaikunta Krishna. I am not situated anywhere. I am situated where Harinama is going on. Correct? We can do. Just by that we can create devotees. But anyway, it's nice sometimes to go to holy places, and everybody in pilgrimage is in a good mood. Visit the places of the Lord. That is one of the elements of devotion service. Correct? Devotee has a desire to visit the places of the Lord's pastime. Among the 5 principal things in Nectar devotion list is there. No? One of the things is 5 places of the Lord's pastime. So anyway, so this should be out from our system. Pradahati yada kama. Otherwise, Nishtha drishti, he can't see. Rishabhadeva can see. He is such a great exalted personality. He is the incarnation of the Lord. But we can't see. Therefore he is saying Nishtha drishti. And Prahlad Maharaj says, Palace, Nate Vidu, Swartha Gatim Vishnu. They can't see. Nate Vidu, they don't know. No, see, same thing. Taken here, no eyes to see his future. Future is such a horror actually. The way people are acting today, future is a horror. Hell is waiting for them. Prabhupada used to say sometimes, save your countrymen. They are all going to hell. Save them. Why is he saying so? You can see. You can see. But why we can't say like that with the same strength, with the same seriousness? Because we can't see. For us, somebody goes in a nice car. What he must have done to get this. Correct? And that's what the TV and all such people come. Please speak. College is also same thing. And I am also alumni of the college. If they keep inviting every year, please come to the college, tell of your, but whom they make us, whom they give chief guest, who has become a big man, who a big company now, crores of rupees he has with him. They tell him and whole audience here, what we should do to do this, what we should do. There was one person who had come to cheat students. There is something called network marketing. and they put topi, nice topi they put. Now you see 2 will become 10, 10 will become 100. You will get 100 crore in 6 years. 100 crore in 6 years. Students are sitting like this. They're like this now. Huh? Mouth open. Word by word, as if nectar is drawn. You can see this is the condition there. This is the condition of an ordinary karmi actually. This is a misfortune in this world. This is Nishtha drishti. You have no eyes to see. This is what they desire as happiness. And if I go write to my college and see, I am doing some devotion service, chant Hare Krishna, can I be the chief guest of your college? They don't allow me to come. I have to cheat them maybe in another way. I am doing some social service, something. But if I tell like truth, that this is what we are doing, the rest all we have not such value, even social service. What is all this nonsense? I remember the day I joined, my boss came to me, one of the bosses in Infosys, my project head. So I said, sir, I will be leaving today. Where are you going? I'm going to ISKCON. Do they do any social service? No, social service. What is the big deal about it? Krishna's grace, I knew it that day also. Just telling me, then what is the use of this organization? Even spiritual organization, people value only for social service. They can't value for the knowledge we are giving. They have no idea that the greatest contribution Prabhupada is giving to this world, he is giving the drishti. And how do you drishti? Jnana chakshu. Correct? People are able to see the world with knowledge. That is a gift we are giving. Therefore Prabhupada said, main work in this movement is distribute these books. Why? Main work is give knowledge to society. Many times Prabhupada says, food, what is there? Food we give. What is the use? Just giving food is Prabhupada says, just giving food is nonsense. Give knowledge to the society. That's Prabhupada's statement. Give knowledge to the society. That is our primary way. Otherwise, Nishtha drishti. Correct? You will see somebody in a car. Oh. And the Brahma who is with knowledge. Brahma is not Nishtha drishti. Therefore it says Krita punya puncha. So we should, therefore our heart should change. When you see Radharani with Krishna, what fortune she has to be with Krishna. That way we should feel. What she must have done, like in the spiritual world, when Narayana places Tulsi on the feet, all the plants which are conscious, here also they are conscious, but the conscious is not the conscious is not fully manifested. There the plant conscious is fully manifested. All the living and conscious is fully manifested. Correct? Full Sachidananda, not like us anymore. They feel what fortune, what tapasya Tulsi must have done to get this fortune to be at Krishna's or Narayana's lotus feet. What fortune she is having. Okay? So that way we should look at it. And we should not. And that will happen when the heart is interested in Krishna consciousness. When heart is interested in sense gratification, we will have completely different idea. Shri Prabhupada ki